Here's another Yoga Classes in New York City Minute. Obstacles of Yoga. Many people in New York City will attend yoga classes as a way to start their day and to get focused. Students from East Harlem and Riverside Park drive into New York City for yoga classes. Learning the exercise is a hard journey filled with detours, obstacles, and pitfalls. However, there is a roadside assistance program to help people from becoming stuck. Getting stuck is common, and there are people before you that went down the same road. This led to a troubleshooting guide called The 13 Obstacles of Yoga. This article will discuss some of the obstacles that can prevent someone from going further in yoga. Illness obstacle of yoga. VID is the obstacle that involves a person being physically sick, and the illness prevents him or her from doing yoga. People can be affected by disease and illness, mentally and physically. You have led a healthy lifestyle for optimal health. If you are healthy, then you can participate in a yoga class in New York City. Procrastination yoga obstacle. Diana is making excuses for not doing the work. Procrastinating tends to prevent a person from being on the right track and practicing yoga. Sanshaya is when someone doubts the results or benefits of yoga. If you have doubts about the exercise, then you're not going to try as hard or stick with it long enough to see results. Pramada is when someone approaches the exercise without being serious or with carelessness. Yoga is an art and a science. You will have to approach it with respect, skill, and devotion to see positive results. Participating in a yoga class in New York City will help you learn the basics. Yoga requires willpower for success. Alasya is the phrase of having willpower to succeed. Laziness can prevent a person from accomplishing their tasks or life goals. In addition, participants will need discipline to get the full benefits from yoga. Remove all obstacles to succeed at yoga. If you want to be successful with yoga, then you will need to remove all obstacles. Obstacles will keep returning until you are able to get rid of them. The key is to learn how to overcome obstacles and not making the same mistake twice. Also, this exercise helps a person to focus mentally. Start living a healthy life with yoga classes in New York City, New York.